Hey friends, if you wish to fix no audio output device is installed error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check settings. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sound in the right pane. Now you need to check the outputs whether they exist and whether the right output is selected or not. And the next one is that you have to update the driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs and update all the drivers. Okay, now here's one thing. I have tried one solution in the past that worked for me, which is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select next, choose a good restore point, next, and then finish, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.